Hi, we are Ian and Leanne, and this is our self-converted camper van whose name is Dick. Join us as we travel around the UK and beyond, doing walks, paddleboarding, cycling, and much, much more as we take you on our epic adventures.
I moved over a bit. Quite a narrow road, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, because you're over the line already.
Yeah, I know.
I bet you're barely in it that side, are you?
No, I'm not. So thankfully it got that wide section you can move out into, but obviously ended up hitting part of a tree. This is only a bush. You know, I whacked it with the door mirror.
Oh, it was just a door mirror, was it?
Over the line now, my son.
At the moment, you're riding it, you're on it.
Well, I'm riding it. Well, I'm riding the white one on this side as well.
Yeah.
I'm riding
it's
the boat.
Really it's narrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's either got his concrete bits at the side to drop into, really.
Yeah.
Not all this on.
Yeah.
There's all the prettiness about it, isn't it?
It is. Yeah. Particularly because it's like beachy, I'd have done that.
Beach, yeah, it is like a beach, yeah. You'd have thought it was a beach, wouldn't you, with the trees on it?
Yeah.
Perhaps they've imported, I don't know what I thought they would do. Would they import the gravel in to gravel it out and try and suppress the weeds, maybe?
Imagine, so.
That's what it looks like, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like it's just been kind of weeded and then gravelled out, because otherwise it'd be like this, wouldn't it?
Yeah. That's probably just keep the weeds back in it.
Yeah. I can't believe how many flipping olive trees there are in the country.
Well, you probably find actually that a lot of the world's olive oil probably comes from here.
Yeah.
Wow, look at those mountains.
How much bloody hell!
What do you want?
Good God!
They were right over the line.
It was! He didn't even steer away, did he?
Even like the mud.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh wow! To the left.
Yes. Wow. Crikey.
Look at that! To the left!
Yes. You're about the rock, are you, I'm assuming?
And what about the big tall rocks up there?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow
that's
as
beautiful.
well. It's all wow.
Bloody hell, I was going to say. Josh, that's twice today.
Yeah. Oh, that's magnificent. I'll tell you something, if the cycle rail we go on tomorrow sort of, comes through countryside that's like this, you know what I mean? Yes. As I said, on a train line, it can't be very steep. Wow. not just talking lowercase, I'm talking uppercase wow. I'm talking capital W's and an O.
Lights, action. No.
It's only a short one. It's only a little one.
It is only a baby one.
When I grow up, I want to be the Channel Tunnel. Where? Down there?
No, that's no entrance. But we're still on 100 metres according to this.
Oh, okay.
Turn left onto Placa de Catalunya, then turn left
I would
onto
take
Cara
this next
Dedicatal
one.
Medina.
60, 50, 40, 30.
Where's that
Down,
going?
left.
Up. Is it?
Turn left
Yeah, it
onto
must be.
Cara Dedicatal
Sorry.
What,
Medina,
down or up?
then turn
Well-
left.
Oh no, that's Remy's down there.
Oh yeah. Oh, well spotted.
Turn left, then turn right. Turn right,
Got
then
some
slide
follow,
left.
Yeah, that's right. Fine. Bloody hell, that was. That's the trouble when you come into these. The bloody roads are flipping.
Slide left, then your destination will be on the left.
What?
Down. There's one down there.
One there, yeah. Oh, I see they're down on the grass down there. That's just some. Oh, it's down there, isn't it? Yeah, it's got to be down. It's got to be down this slope, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's two down there.
Yeah, it just says slight left.
Yeah, it's down there.
Yeah.
It's down there. Oh, spaces anyway. Loads of spaces.
Your
in that.
destination is on the left.
Loads of spaces.
God, that was
Yeah.
challenging.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, look, you've already got the gap boots there.
Yeah, I'll just.
Morning! We're out for a cycle ride today. I can't remember the name of the place we've stayed at, but I'll put that up in the screen in a minute. This is part of an old railway line, and we've just come through quite a spooky tunnel. Not as spooky as the ones we went through in the Faroe Islands last year, but pretty spooky anyway. I'll flip the camera around and show you where we are. I'm not quite sure how well the camera's making it out, but right up in the distance there is the little village we've been staying in overnight, and we've got a nice mountain view in front of us. The cloud keeps running in and out of this area down here, and then further into the distance, not quite sure, pick it up yet, we've got mountains then further down, and again the mist is just rolling in and out at the moment, so fingers crossed that'll start clearing in a minute. But yeah, it's absolutely magnificent around here, beautiful. Well, we're currently on a viaduct, and the views would be absolutely phenomenal if it wasn't for the mist. We're quite high up here, as you can see. It's a fantastic trail we're going on. I mean, we keep passing. We've passed a kilometre marker, a marker at 90 a minute ago, so that's sort of how long the trail is. But obviously it's longer than that, but from where it starts. Well, I've just come out the end of this tunnel to an absolutely fantastic view. It's a little stream running down there, the mountain. I say, it's just a shame it's such a dull day today actually. I think with the sun out and the clearer skies, look even more fantastic than what it already does. That's the other side of the viaduct. Yeah. Don't drop your camera in the water. Down in the distance there's another tunnel. We've probably come through about, I think we've probably ridden probably about 10 kilometres so far. We've probably come through 10 tunnels. Some of them are quite dark and spooky, so you need to make sure you've got lights on your bikes. This ride is just so scenic. You've got mountains up there. We've just come through yet another tunnel. And then more mountains. And down into a little village down there. And then we carry on that way. You keep coming out of these tunnels, and then the next thing you see is just absolutely more fantastic scenery. River down there. Fantastic big scenery there. It's the back of the wife.
No Michelin woman outfit.
Yeah. Come to Spain, but leave the coastline alone and just come inland into the mountains. It's a far better place. So much quieter as well. Oh wow.
Actually, I think keeping the structure in helps because it gives you more the perspective, doesn't it?
It does.
I think.
Yeah, absolutely. Ready?
Yeah.
Don't fall off. He should wait for us anyway, I would have thought. Oh, he's stopping. Plenty of tunnels. Another one there. Just come through the at the end of that one. Just up here. Decided to stop here for our lunch. Oh, we just sort of cycled out now into more countryside really than the where we were. But, I love the way those fields have been sort of dealt with. Another tunnel. So we're now down near a place called Zerta and come across this weir. We drove past it yesterday on the way up to where we're staying, but we were higher up on the road yesterday when we came past it, and it looks a bit better actually from up there. We might just down here, but still quite impressive. It's like those green things are clearing out muck out of the water.
Sea stuff floating in.
Yeah. just noticed sort of down there that there's some steps. I'm wondering if that's part of a gorge walk that goes down, you know, obviously down in the middle there, but and then maybe crosses over where maybe some stepping stones, and then maybe comes up round down here where this track is. It might be completely and utterly wrong. I have known to, you know, have been known to be wrong in the past.
Oh, very.
That's very rarely wrong. Very rarely wrong?
Very rarely wrong.
Yeah.
No, that's wrong. Very rarely right.
Very, very right. I can't even get my words right now.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm right. I'm wrong.
No, you're very rarely right.
Yes. Well, the other side of the gorge that we said we just saw a minute ago, we've actually come down into a little village, and and then we found this. This is absolutely, pardon the pun, gorgeous. Just like my lady. Well, we were here last night. I'm going to stay here for another night. It's €3 for 24 hours park here. Just make sure you got it in coin, so you need either a €1 coin and a €2 coin, or €3 coins, or maybe it takes 20 cents coins, I'm not quite sure, but just make sure you got €3. It's getting quite grim out here now. It's forecast rain later. Yeah, what a fantastic bike ride we've had today.